if you own a cleaning company and you are still doing all the work, you're still cleaning, you're still answering the phone calls, you need to be in my live workshop this Tuesday, September the 12th, 7 p.m. I'm going to be doing a live workshop. Okay, I'm gonna be going over all the cleaning business fundamentals. So we're going to start off with the foundation, and I'm going to teach you guys how your cleaning business is supposed to be set up in the beginning, because the foundation is the first part. I realized that a lot of reasons why cleaning businesses failed because they didn't do certain things in the beginning, and that's the reason why you can't scale to the top. Okay, so we're going to start off at the beginning, make sure your foundation is right. Then we're going to move into how to get clients, how to keep your clients, how to retain your workers, and then we're going to move into systems. Okay, we're going to be talking about a lot of the fundamental parts of growing your cleaning business that a lot of times you got to search for this information, and you might not see some of the stuff that I talk about on YouTube, so you might want to tap in. All right, so I'll see you guys Tuesday, hopefully Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Y'all gonna tap in, click the link in the bio, and I'll see you guys at the workshop.